I'm going to show you in the next 5 minutes how through Gong Engage you can create unbelievable prospecting emails using Gong's AI features and inline prompts. I'm going to show you this in real time while myself and my assistant Monty, who's taking a nap right now, are going to do this and just create one on the fly here. So this is a new template within Engage. We'll call this, let's do like close lost prospecting. Now, what I want to do here is I want to reference the valuable data Gong already has with a lot of our accounts and opportunities. Most of the accounts and ops I'm working this year, there have been some conversations in the past with them. And if I can reference those, it's suddenly a warm email instead of a cold email. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put hey, and I'm going to use their first name, field placeholder, first name. No, it's been some... or I'll do no, it's been since. And then here's where I'm going to do my brackets. So when I do a double bracket, you can use an AI prompt, and I'm going to write insert only the exact year of the last opportunity since you last checked us out. Boom. Next, I'm going to try to show them that I put in the homework behind it. So I'm going to say I had the chance to re-listen to those conversations with our team and heard you focused on a few areas. Colon. Next, double bracket, outline their top 3 priorities, pain points from the last opportunity. And then I'm just going to leave off with open to seeing what's new with us. Brian. So that's my email. Subject, I could do an AI one as well, but I'll just do conversations in 2023 as a placeholder. Or I'll do underscore. So I can just fill that in, or I could use an AI one again. I'll do this account preview now. So this preview here, it'll show you what it looks like down below. So I'll give it an example to see how it's spinning it up. And I'll do Credax, an opportunity with Laurel. You can choose a specific deal, and I'll hit this refresh preview. So now it's going to run. And again, Gong collects all of your calls, all your web meetings, all of your emails, CRM data. So because it has that unified data layer underneath, when you layer the AI on top, it's super powerful because it knows all that rich context from what's actually happened. So this is great here. No, it's been since blank year since you last checked us out, had the chance to re-listen to our conversation. Awesome. This is great. I could give it some further guidance here to space out 1, 2, and 3. I could give it some more guidance here to not reference based on the recent email correspondence. But think of how powerful this is in email. I could run this template now across my 100 last close loss opportunities with my 5 prospects involved in them, so 500 emails. And it's going to give me a great working email where maybe I could fire off a couple edits and then hit send, versus having to put in the work on every single account, listen to those calls, try to extract these different pain points. And it's giving really specific examples here that they shared around what their concerns were, what their pain points were, what some of those challenges were. So great way to put that together start to finish. Again, use these double brackets here to insert and use Gong's AI to reference that data set underneath it. All I have to do is hit save on this template, and now I could create an entire flow. I could create out multiple steps that maybe stack together these AI prompts in different emails, and I could run them against different people or versus different accounts.